Hey, make sure you buckle up and brace yourself for heart-pounding chases and plot twists that are more thrilling than the movies. If you want to feel like you're on a roller coaster without leaving your seat, then welcome to COPSCAM Police US. Now let's go. Just got news. A yellow Jeep, a suspect in a racketeering and aggravated assault case, was pursued by Utica police. The vehicle rammed the patrol car multiple times, forcing them to stop. But the suspect didn't seem to give up, and the game had just begun. And then, like an action movie scene, the Jeep accelerated, recklessly passing oncoming vehicles on 32-mile road, creating dangerous swerving moves like in an action movie. Big bets come with big payback. And here it is, the perfect spike strip. The Jeep hit it, lost control, went straight into the median and flipped over like a scene from a movie. It was over. No way out. Running away only bought him a little more freedom, but eventually, handcuffs awaited. Joseph Lee Jackson was arrested on charges of fleeing and driving on a suspended license. The normal 110 freeway suddenly turned into a disaster. It all started with one car losing control, and the dominoes of accidents began. 7 seconds later, 6 different cars crashed into each other, creating a chaotic scene in the middle of the traffic.
Hi, I'm recording a multi-vehicle traffic.
Despite on-scene TV's flashing lights, the cars crashed like dominoes. LAFD crews rushed to pull victims from the wreckage. The perpetrator fled. 6 cars were wrecked, police arrived, but the chaos did not stop. What will happen next?
Now it's 5
Just one look at the white Dodge Charger, and the chase was on. The driver didn't stop, but stepped on the gas and shot off like an arrow, ignoring everything.
White Charger, 18330, Whiskey Bravo again.
145 miles per hour, the car rushed on the highway. Not just a chase, but a life and death race. Passing every car, running on the sidewalk. And then, a terrible crash. Both cars lost control and crashed into the grass. The Charger rolled into the ditch and the police car spun around on the grass. The impact was deafening and the atmosphere was tense. The Dodge Charger was submerged in water. The police arrived, guns drawn. The suspect still tried to run but was quickly dragged out and handcuffed on the spot. Drugs, guns, all revealed. I guess with these charges he might be in jail for a while. What followed was a fiery race. It all started when the car stopped on the side of the road, but suddenly the driver decided to accelerate, rushing away at breakneck speed. He weaved through the streets, trying to lose the police, thinking he had escaped.
I did not clear to stay westbound out there. Westbound out there,
But the plan quickly went awry. He turned the wheel too hard, causing the car to lose control and crash into the grass. Despite trying to escape, the police made a precise pirouette, sending the car crashing hard into the grass. The car was destroyed, surrounded by police, and the chase ended. The two suspects were quickly handcuffed, with no way to escape. The wrecked car lay still on the grass. The escape officially ended. The police had surrounded them, and justice would not let them escape.
Number 2.
Show me your hand! Show me your hand!
Esther Paragula, 33, drove at 110 miles per hour, trying to escape 10 police cars in Ohio. The lights were flashing. The siren was blaring. The police kept warning her. The car was broken down, but she kept going, seemingly forgetting that cars have their limits.
Units, be ready to go. Felony stop.
479, number 2. She's in the middle lane, still going back and forth.
Left front tire is, she's on the rim on the left front. Watch it. She's gonna, over. Your tires are done. Your car is done. You are done.
The tense chase ended when police surrounded the car near the I-77 exit. The car doors were smashed and glass was shattered as Esther and her companion were dragged out. All her attempts to escape were in vain. An inevitable end.
Car's on the berm. Open the door. Put the door open. I'm gonna take your tire. Let me see your hands. Get out. Now. Get on the ground. On the ground. Get the car apart. Put the car apart.
Running away drunk is a bad idea, but running away without pants is just out of the question. When the police stopped her, instead of resisting, she just went on a series of nonsensical ramblings about being drunk and weird. One of the weirdest situations they'd ever been in.
South on Warren. South on Warren. South on Warren.
At the end of the chase, this woman not only faced serious charges, but also received a lesson about never playing with the law when you are not completely sober.
Stop. Stop.
I will fuck you. You're not safe. Please.
Stop.
I can't.
Okay, turn around.
I'm drunk. You want me to go to jail? Seriously, go to hell. Like, I will fuck you. Like, I have no excuse. Let me go. Just say I'm...
Stop
I
talking.
will not do this no more. Please.
The KIA drove wildly in the wrong direction on Broadway. The red lights were just meaningless lights. The police chased every breathless corner. When the car stopped at Broadway and 22nd Street, instead of surrendering, the suspect threw things around, screaming hysterically as if he was crazy.
Sir, slowly step out of the vehicle and face away from officers. Step out of the vehicle.
Don't fucking do it! Don't fucking grab me, I'll kill you! I'll fucking kill you!
Officers are not here to hurt you.
I don't care! I'm not touching anybody, and I'm not touching no 12 fucking handcuffs.
There we go. Thanks for rolling your window down.
Pick up your card, bitch. Pick it up! Pick up the pussy ass card, dog!
Is there anybody else there in the car with you?
I don't think so.
Did you say I don't think so?
Yeah, I said I don't think so.
Alright, thanks man. I appreciate you telling me that.
I did. Sorry, I apologize. I'm not saying
Whatever. I don't care about that. I want to see my girl and I don't care about all that shit, dog. You have my ID already. What's the problem?
okay, dude, you can see your girl, but we gotta make sure everything here is
What's the
going on
ticket?
safe.
Like $500? I can care
Exactly.
less.
It's not that big of a deal, right?
No, it's not. But you're making it
We're
a
not even
scene.
gonna talk about all that stuff. We just want to make sure you're safe and we're
I am
safe.
safe.
So we can
I
have
feel
a
less
safe-
safe. I feel more safe now with all these guns pointed at me. If anything, at least it's on camera, you motherfucker.
Dude, once you come back here and we're safe, we're not gonna have guns pointed at you anymore.
Dude, it's not about that. You don't get it. You already did the damage. I'm
What
already
is it about
fucked up.
that?
I have PTSD for life. You guys already fucked me.
And say to pull your pants out. Keep your hands out where we can see them so we know you're not grabbing anything, right? Alright, keep your right. So start walking towards me and just take a seat on this arrow right here, okay? Just don't make any sudden movements or anything so we know you don't have anything. Just told us that, right? Alright, so keep no reach for anything. Alright. Okay, perfect. Keep walking a little bit more. Keep walking a little bit more. Back. Yep, keep moving. This arrow right here, just take a seat. Take a seat. Perfect, man. Alright, so we know we're all safe too. While you're sitting down, just don't reach for your pockets, okay? Or just sit on your butt so you're really Don't reach. Not for me, don't reach. Come on back, try on this. I'll make a bigger deal here. Come on. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. I'm not gonna hurt you. Just don't need to reach for anything. Put your hands up. Just all the way on your butt. Close your eyes. Nothing gets worse. Try on. Try on.
Shoot me, dog. That's what
Give
you
me
do.
these first.
I don't want to talk.
All I want. How can we help you today? Say, why
You need me to fucking
doing it, like she should.
After 30 to 40 minutes of struggling, he abandoned his bike and tried to run away. Just a few steps later, the police caught up and threw him to the ground in a flash. The escape ended quickly.
Relax.